Hey, what's up guys? It's Shelly from Studio Diva bringing you another express workout. Today we're working on building up that booty. You don't need any equipment at all. You can do this at home. Again, no matter what level you are, you can do this workout. If you love it, hit the like button and subscribe to Studio Diva for more workouts. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is for my beginners. I'm gonna give an explanation of each move. If you don't need the explanation, just go ahead and hit the timestamp and jump right into the workout. We're gonna start off with wall sit. So find your closest wall, press your back all the way up against the wall, sit low as if you're in an invisible chair and just hold and squeeze. This next move is the squat. We're gonna lower the hips back, being sure to watch the knees. We don't want our knees to pass the toes. And then you'll step side to side, keeping the booty nice and low. We're going into hip thrusts. So I'm gonna have you lower down onto your back. Keep the legs about hips distance apart. Feet are flat down on the ground. Lift your hips all the way up, squeezing the glutes, and then lower them back down to the ground. Let's turn over onto all fours, stacking the wrists underneath of the shoulders, the knees in line with the hips. Working one side at a time, be sure to keep your foot flexed, drive the heel straight up to the ceiling, squeezing the glute and lowering back down. This next move is a hydrant with a kick. We're gonna stay on all fours. Keep the knee at a 90-degree angle, lift, keeping your knee in line with your hip, and then extend the legs straight out, lowering back down to the ground. That's good. All right, so first move. In this workout, you want to find your closest wall. We're going to sit back for wall sits. Imagine that you have a chair behind you. We're starting the timer right now. Shoulders are pressed back, lower back is pressed all the way onto the wall. Arms can extend forward. And we're just going to sit here and hold. We've got 50 seconds here, and you can do it. Keep those quads engaged, keep the core tight. Breathe through it. Nice job. We're more than halfway already. Keep holding. Maybe see if you can sit a little lower. Nice work. Almost there. How are we feeling? We have 10 seconds. 8. And 5. 3. 2, 1. Beautiful job. Come on up off of the wall. Head over to your mat if you're using one. Next move. We only have 10 seconds rest. We're going into it in 2, 1. Take a squat. Step to the side. Stay low. Step back over. Keep the booty nice and low. We're traveling side to side. 50 seconds. You got it. Nice job. Amazing. We're more than halfway through. Keep working. Stay low. Don't you quit. You got it. We only have 10 seconds left, going side to side. Here we go. 5 counts. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Bring it all the way down onto the ground. Lower your back to the mat. In 2 seconds, we're gonna press the hips straight up. Keep the heels down. Squeeze those glutes. Nice, tight core every time you lift. Find a rhythm that works for you. Keep it going. You got it. Nice job. Almost there. 15 seconds. Make sure you squeeze. 10. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Let's bring it into a tabletop. And 2 seconds. We have Dumpy kicks, walking down to the forearms. Nice job. Keep your foot flexed and drive your heel to the ceiling. We're working one leg at a time. So we have 50 seconds on the left, 50 seconds on the right. You got it. Keep a tight core. Try to keep the left hip in line with the right. Ooh yeah, you should feel the burn. Nice job, 10 seconds, and then we switch. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. We're gonna start it up in 5, 3, 2, 1. Switching legs. Drive your heel. Keep the foot flexed. Amazing. Push through the burn. Nice job. Sending the heel straight to the ceiling. We have 20 seconds left on the side. Let's work. And 3, 2, 1. Walk it up onto your hands. Staying in this position. We have hydrants with the kick. Starting with the left leg. 3, 2, lift, extend straight out. Bring it back down. Lift and kick. Oh, yeah. This one burns a lot. Keep working. Kick. Almost there. We're gonna switch it out in 15 seconds. And 10. 5, 2, and 1. 10 seconds rest. We're switching over to the right leg. You got it. And 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Lift. Add that kick. Lower it back down. Kick. Keeping a nice flexed foot. Let's go. And then we're back at the top. Nice job. We have 10 seconds left. You got it. Let's go in 5, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, that burns. All right, back to the top. Head on over to your wall. Get set up, and that's time. Lower the hips. Keep your back pressed up against the wall. Keep that lower belly engaged and pulled in. You got it. You should be feeling it in the glutes right now. Nice work. But we're at our halfway mark. We are almost there, almost finished. Let's go. 20 more seconds. Can you sit a little lower? Maybe we're done. Maybe we're not, I don't know. And 1. Nice job. Come on off of the ball. Head. We've got squats. I'm forgetting where we are. Starting in 3, 2, and 1. Sit low and step. All right, we're good. I see the timer now. Staying low, stepping side to side. You got it. Embrace the burn. Yes, you can. Let's work. We have 20 seconds. And 10 more seconds. Can you get lower? Yes, you can. Let's go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Bring it on down to the mat. Hip thrusts. Lay your back all the way down. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Lift. Hips to the ceiling. Make sure you squeeze every time your hips leave the mat or leave the floor. Keep the core tight. And lift. Drive those heels down into the ground. Almost there, 20 seconds. Let's push. Nice work. And 10. You got it. 7. 1. I'm counting the wrong direction, but you know what I meant. Let's roll into all fours. Donkey kicks. Walk down onto your forearms. Starting in 2, 1. Let's go. Let's start the right foot this time. Right foot drives. The heel's going straight up to the ceiling. You know you're getting tired when you can't count. Let's go. We're going to push through this because we're almost finished. We're almost at the end. Drive that heel. Push through the burn. You got it. Whew. Yes, less than 15 seconds. Let's work. 8 seconds. Come on. 5, 2, and 1. 10 seconds before we switch it out. Get the left side ready. And 2, 1. Let's go. Drive the left heel up to the ceiling. Kick it straight up. Core is tight. Nice work. Is it really burning now? Let's go. 20 seconds. Almost there. Nice job. Give me 10. Woo. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Walk it up onto the hands. Starting off this time on the right side. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Lift the leg and kick. Bring it down. Kick. Down. Keeping the foot flexed. Core is engaged. Glutes are burning. Nice job. This is it. We're close to the finish line. Keep working. You got it. We have 20 seconds. And then we switch. Whew. 10 seconds left. And 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, those are crazy. Last round, here we go. Left leg, get it ready in 3, 2, 1. Let's work. Lift and kick. This is it. We're almost there. We're almost done with this workout. Really embrace the burn. Don't quit. Lift and kick. More than halfway through these on the left side. Nice job. We're down to 10. Let's work. Squeeze. Here we go. 3. Come on. 2 and 1. Great job. Thank you so much for joining me for this express workout. Working out is a key component to reaching your goals, but there's also the component of diet. If you're having trouble with it, don't worry, we have you covered. We've created a nutrition guide that I've seen work on our members at Studio Diva. We've seen the results. All you have to do is head over to our website, studiodivanj.com, to sign up for our Diva list, and you'll get the nutrition guide for free.